Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I bought this axe at a car boot sale back in spring and it's been sat on my to-do list ever since. Now it's autumn and it's got colder and I actually need to start chopping some firewood. I thought I'd better get round to doing it. The reason it needs work is you can see there's a big chip out the blade and there's a split in the handle, so both bits need work. I used a grinder with a flap disc to clean up the blade and also grind the edge back to remove the chip. I got a piece of ash big enough to cut a new handle from. I really liked the shape of the old handle, so I used it as a template. With the rough shape cut out, I could use the handle again as a template to then mark out how thick the piece needed to be. Cut it down to thickness and then had a go copying my hero, Mr. Jimmy DiResta, to have a go on carving it on the bandsaw. I wasn't very confident doing this, so I mainly just cut the corners off. I decided to move on to the rasp to get most of the shaping done. Getting the top that fit in the eye of the axe was the most tricky and important part of the shaping. When I was finally happy with the shape, I cut a slit for a wedge to be bashed into, and then it was time to hang the head. I pushed the head on just to get it started, and then started bashing the bottom of the handle. The old handle had a tapered end, but I left this square just for this purpose, and I'll come back later and cut it off. The head seated as far as it could go, I could bash a wedge in. With the head on, I could then trim off the square end of the handle and finish any final shaping with a spoke shave. I gave it all a sand, first with the random orbital sander, and then I did a bit of hand sanding to finish it off. The final step was just to apply several coats of Danish oil to protect it and make sure it lasts through several years of hard use. And that's it all done. We can get the log fires going now. Next week I'll make a leather sheath for it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.